Hi everyone, I am Zyla Narciso and I will be discussing the ethical issues. Firstly, study design and ethics approval. According to Committee on Publication, the COPE, good research should be well adjusted, well planned, appropriately designed, and ethically approved. To conduct research to a lower standard may constitute misconduct. So, study design and ethical approval in quantitative research are critical components that ensure the scientific uh, rigor, validity, and ethical considerations of a research project. Firstly, what is study design? Study design refers to the overall plan or framework that the researcher used to conduct their quantitative research. It outlines the strategies and methods for the collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to answer research question or test a hypothesis. Number two, what is the ethics approval? Ethics approval, ito yung pinaka-crucial step in a research process. It ensures that the research is conducted in an ethically responsible manner with respect for the rights and well-being of participants and the broader community. Ethical approval is typically obtained from an institutional review board or ethics committee. It involves a thorough review of the research proposal. Next, data analysis. Data analysis, ito yung systematic process that helps researchers make evidence-based decision and draw meaningful conclusion from numerical data. Ito din is widely used in various fields katulad ng social sciences, science, economics, business, healthcare, and healthcare to support research and decision-making process. Next, authorship. Dito, wala talagang agreed definition for authorship. But it is generally agreed that authorship or an author should have made substantial contribution to the intellectual content, including conceptualizing and designing the study, analyzing and interpreting the data. Also, the author should also take responsibility to certify that the manuscript represents valid work and take public responsibility for the work. And an author is usually involved in drafting or revising the manuscript as well as approving the submitted manuscript. In data collection, editing of grammar and language, and other routine works by itself. Next, conflicts and interest. Like conflicts of interest in any research or professional context, this refer to situation where individuals or the members of the organization or the author and co-author of the research may have competing interests that could potentially compromise the integrity, objectivity, or credibility of the research findings. These conflicts can arise in various ways and may impact the research process or the interpretation of the results. Lastly, redundant publication and plagiarism. Redundant publication occurs when two or more papers without full cross-reference share the same hypothesis, data, discussion, points, or conclusions. However, previous publication of an abstract during the proceedings of meetings does not preclude subsequent submission for publication. but full disclosure should be made at the time of submission. Both redundant publication and plagiarism can result in serious consequences for researchers, including damage of reputation, rejection of their work, loss of academic and professional positions, and legal action in some cases. Therefore, it is crucial for researchers to adhere to ethical standards and guidelines, maintain transparency, and provide appropriate attribution and disclosure in their research and publication.